Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to log in and log out of your Bet365 account on your mobile device. It's the exact same on Android, but I'm using an iPhone for this video. So I'm on the Bet365 app, and then in the top right hand side there's a login button, and then it asks you to enter a username or an email and then a password as well. So I'm going to do that and then I'll come back to the video in a little second. So guys, we're actually in the Bet365 app right now. We're logged in, but let's say you're finished and you want to log out. You want to make sure that you're logged out. If you actually close down the application, Bet365 will completely log you out of your account. However, if you just want to make sure, you can go to the avatar icon on the top right, and then down at the bottom, there's the log out button. Press that, and that's you logged out of Bet365 on your mobile device. So guys, if this video has been helpful, I would really appreciate a like and subscribe to this channel. And if you do have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below as well. Thanks very much.